Students, welcome back to this new session. I am again continuing the Laplace transform of the properties, problems on the properties of Laplace transform. Here is one problem. Find the Laplace transform of t square into sine 80. Okay. Now you must be getting it very clearly which property is going to be very useful for us in this problem. Okay. As you see, I have written it already here on the board on your screen. See, the Laplace transform of t raised to n into f of t. Obviously, the second property is useful for it. So the Laplace transform of t raised to n into f of t, you all know it very well. By the property, it is given to be minus 1 to the power n, nth derivative of f bar of s. This f bar of s nothing but the Laplace transform of f of t here. Okay, so here in place of f of t you have got sine 80. So first let us write, I have written it already, the Laplace transform of sine 80. That is going to be our f bar of s. Now as per that property, we will find the Laplace transform of t square sine 80. The value for n is 2 here. So it is minus 1 to the power 2, second derivative of f bar of s. Now that is minus 1 square is plus. So it is a divided by square plus a square. Write the first derivative of this. The first derivative of a divided by square plus a square is, first you can write it like this. Okay. First solve this, the inner two brackets. So d by ds as it is. The inner two brackets solution will be minus 2as divided by s square plus a square whole square. Okay. Now you have to again differentiate this. Okay. So it is what? Yes. So first numerator as it is. Sorry, denominator as it is. Derivative of the numerator with respect to s, it becomes minus 2a minus numerator as it is. Derivative of the denominator divided by denominator square becomes 4 over here. Now as you see, s square plus a square, s square plus a square, it's common, 2a and 2a, even that is common, get it outside. So it is, you will have 2a into s square plus a square common throughout the two terms in the numerator. So you are left with what? It is 2a has been taken out, so minus sign is left there, minus, and one bracket also you have taken out. So one bracket is left, so minus s square minus a square is left. Here also one bracket and 2 and a is also been taken out. So this s and s is remain there, minus, minus of minus plus, sorry, look at this, minus into minus plus, okay, and you are left with 4s square here, divided by s square plus a square to the power 4. Now one of the bracket from the numerator and one bracket from the denominator will get cancelled. It means you are left with 3 brackets in the denominator. So you will have 2a into, you will have 3s square, 4s square minus s square, 3s square minus a square over s square plus a square whole cube. So this is the simplified form of this solution. Okay. So this is how you solve it. I'll come back with one more problem. Just here is one more problem. Find the Laplace transform of t into e to power minus 2t sine 4t. So I hope you must be getting confused which property to use here. You can do it either way. Okay. So you can either use the first find the Laplace transform of the first two things, then use the second property. First use the first property to write the Laplace transform of these two, then take the second property because it has been multiplied. This complete thing has been multiplied with t. Then use the second property to solve it. Okay. Or else find the Laplace transform of t into sine 4t. That is, use the second property first, then you can use the first property. Either way you can solve it. So whichever is easy, you can follow that. But I am going to work with in a very simple way. First let us write the Laplace transform of, yes, the easiest way will be what? Better you take the Laplace transform for t into sine 4t first. Okay, so first 1 minute, I will first write the Laplace transform of sine 4t. First write it. You know it is 4 divided by square plus 16 by referring the formula. Okay, that is a divided by square plus a square. A value is 4. So now you want the Laplace transform of t into sine 4t. Now previously also we have solved one problem. It's not going to be that difficult for you. So it is minus 1 to the power 1 d by ds of, because n is 1 here, so it is 4 divided by s square plus 16 here. Okay, as per the second property. I'll write the second property if you, in that case, if you have forgotten it. I had written it earlier, but it's okay. So you have the nth derivative of f bar of s over here. Okay, so this is what you do it. Okay, so minus 1 to the power 1 is minus 1 only. So minus sign will be there. So d by ds of 4 divided by s square plus 16, or this is equal to minus, the derivative of this is minus 4 times 2s divided by s square plus 16 whole square. So it becomes minus of minus plus 8s divided by, I hope it's seen there, 8s divided by s square plus 16 whole square. Okay, so once you arrive at this stage, what you do, you take the Laplace transform of e to power minus 2t t into sine 4t. You are already solved for this. Now this complete function has been multiplied with e to power minus 2t. Apply the first property, what it says. I'll write the first property here. The Laplace transform of e to power at into f of t is f bar of s minus a. Wherever it is s, you replace it by s minus a. Here your f bar of s is this. So you are going to write the Laplace transform for this. It is 8s divided by s square plus 16 whole square. In this you are going to change s to s plus 2 because the value for a is minus 2. Okay, I hope it is seen, just see there. So now this is equal to, just, yes, by using the first property, what it says, you change every s by s minus a. So you change s to s minus 2, s plus 2 here because a is minus 2. So here you are having e to power minus 2t, t into sine 4t, and 8s divided by s square plus 16 whole square. That is your f bar of s. Just change every s to s plus 2 here. So it is 8 into s plus 2 over s plus 2 square plus 16 whole square. Further, if you simplify, it will be 8s plus 16 over s square plus 4s, s square plus 4s plus 20 whole square. This is the simplified form of this solution. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Continue in my next session.